In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly transfer a Facebook event to your Google Calendar. If you're an avid user of Google Calendar and want to ensure you don't miss any of your Facebook events, this guide will walk you through each step. Let's begin by navigating to Facebook. Once you're there, look for the Behind the Photo Booth event page. This is a crucial first step because it helps you locate the event you're interested in. Upon finding the event page, click on the Highlights section. This will help you easily spot the event among any others listed. Now you want to ensure you're looking at all possible engagements. To do this, move over to the Events tab on Facebook. Clicking on this tab allows you to view and manage all events you're interested in. Once you're viewing your list of events, choose the specific event you wish to export to your Google Calendar. After selecting the event, draw your attention to the three dots located at the top right corner of the event page. Clicking these dots will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the Add to Calendar option. This action will pave the way for exporting your event. Upon selecting Add to Calendar, Facebook will automatically download an iCal file. An iCal file is essentially a format used to represent calendar data, making it easily importable into most calendar applications. With the iCal file downloaded, our next step is to switch over to Google Calendar. Once in Google Calendar, you'll want to locate the Settings gear icon. It's usually found at the top right of the calendar view. Clicking on this icon takes you to the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, find and select Import and Export. This feature supports you in importing calendar data from different formats. With this option selected, proceed to import the iCal file that you downloaded from Facebook. Now, upload the file into Google Calendar. You should see a prompt indicating that 1 out of 1 events has been successfully imported. This confirmation is an indicator that your event is now part of your Google Calendar schedule. Finally, navigate back to your main calendar view to ensure the event is present. Scan through your events to find the one you've just imported. Having it on Google Calendar will help you utilize all the reminders and notifications that Google offers, ensuring you never miss a beat. And there you have it. By transferring a Facebook event to Google Calendar, you can better integrate your events and manage your schedule more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.